Welcome back to the channel. We have here an Autoexe splitter, and it is going to go onto this Mazda Rx8 R3, who belongs to Habbo. This is a very special occasion for Habbo, who has waited months and spent a tremendous amount of money. He has spent so much money. I don't know what he could do with that much money. It was so much. We're talking millions. Well, by the time it landed, the first thing he did was get it wrapped in PPF. So we've got all the protection on this thing right here. We believe it is the only Autoexe splitter in the country. So this is a UK first, a UK exclusive. If you know, or if you think you know, that there's another Autoexe splitter in the country for the Mazda Rx8 R3, do let us know in the comments. Until then, it's the only one. So without further ado, the long-awaited splitter for the R3, we're gonna get it on right now. But first, we're gonna take off the old ABS trim thing. Get it off, just get it off. Then we're gonna put this thing straight on. So, let's raise the car. Yeah. So to remove this little bit of trim here, we've got to drill out some rivets and do some unbolting. So I'm gonna get the drill and the relevant drill bit. Let's get destructive. Am I doing the right thing? That came out. Yeah, fuck out of here. Oh. Oh. ASMR sessions with Joshua Scott. So with a little bit of fiddling, we got these trims off. I can hear things so much louder now. Yeah, back on track. We've got all the trims off. The splitter can go straight on, so without further ado, let's slip it on. Right, we're done here, let's go. Well, I weren't expecting it to look this good. Yeah, it gives it that, it just fills out the front, gives it a little bit more of that aggression. And I imagine once it's all on the floor and bolted up properly, it'll be sick. Yeah, man. So, let's secure the bag. Habbo Fox, we just pimped your ride. We've got the splitter on. It's nice and secure. You can literally pull it off the ramp just by the splitter alone. So we're gonna get it outside now whilst we've still got some daylight because it's getting darker every day. And we're gonna basically have a nice little comparison between a stock R3 front end and the Autoexe equipped R3 front end. Let's open the shutter. Here they both are, modified, standard. We've got the modular front. Here we have the Autoexe splitter with the fog light blanks as well as the Spirit R style headlights, blackened inside and with some orange side lights. Here we have a completely stock R3 with the standard ABS plastic trims on the corners, the fog lights and standard headlights. We'll ignore the fact that it's absolutely hazed up from UV damage, but you know. I mean, for me, the choice is clear. That is a fresh look all day of the week. R3s, as modern as they do look, they are getting a bit tired now, and I think they just need a little bit of something, a pizzazz, to make them just stand out a bit more. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? What do you prefer? Are you for the modified club, or are you for the preserving the standard club? And there you have it, a tastefully modified Mazda Rx8 R3. And in my opinion, I think it's turned out really well. We absolutely love the fog light deletes, the splitter, most importantly, and the Spirit R-Style blackened headlights. And that's the end of today's video. We hope you've enjoyed it, and in a way, I guess I hope I've inspired you to cosmetically enhance your Rx8s. I feel like if anyone loves their car, they should give it a little bit of their own flavour. You know what I mean? Once again, thank you all for watching. If you've enjoyed the content, please give us a like and a subscribe. The support is always appreciated. On that note, I am out of here. Peace out.